$100 per day online business that I'm going to switch on right here, right now. I've shared on your screen your brand new system, and I'm going to turn it on by clicking my mouse a few times. 3, 2, 1, and it's ready to go. Believe it or not, it's as easy as that for me to start making $50 to $100 per day with ClickBank. This new system is up and running, and every day it makes me automated commissions every time I activate one of these stupidly simple campaigns. It may seem too good to be true, but the money you see on the screen is real. That's $300 that was made in minutes using this brand new system. Keep watching this short video because in a few minutes, I'm going to hand you a done-for-you ClickBank affiliate system that you can use to get daily results just like me. In fact, your account's already working in the background as you watch this video. I'll check on your account in a few minutes. My doors won't be open forever, though, so time is definitely of the essence. My doors will be closing when the timer on this page hits 0, so don't miss your chance to use the same done-for-you ClickBank system that makes me, on average, $300 per day. You're one of the lucky few to receive a private invitation to use this system. You're very lucky to be here. So don't lose this opportunity as others are begging to receive an invite to use this system. They've heard about the huge success my partners are having. So if you do decide to leave, the next person in line will get full access to the account that's already blowing up that I set up earlier. But I wanted to invite you first because I know you've been looking for a way to make money online and have failed and failed. But this isn't your fault. The truth is the internet is full of scam artists. They promise you millions of dollars overnight and hide all the real ways to make money online. This is why you haven't made any money yet. You need to get out of the circle of lies and need to be guided in the right direction. Check out what I've been able to produce in just 4 short years with ClickBank AI. Here's one of my bank accounts with just over $1 million in it. Pretty amazing, right? In total, my system has made me over $2 million in my 5 short years on the internet, which is incredible. But how does this help you? Well, I'm allowing you today to copy the exact same system that made me my online riches. A huge percentage of my wealth has come directly from promoting ClickBank affiliate offers, and I'm prepared to share that same system with you today. I've already set up your account earlier in this video using the same system that I'm using right now to continue to make millions of dollars every single year. I let a few people join earlier this week, and they've already used this system to get incredible results with ClickBank. Some of my students were worried that their system wouldn't work because they only had a cell phone and no computer or laptop, but I assured them that all they had to do was sign up. I'd set up their account and set up the done-for-you ClickBank affiliate system for them. I also reminded them that I take care of all the work for my partners. All I ask of my students was to do 5 minutes of maintenance per day and to check on their phones to make sure this is actually working for them. I do 99% of the work for my partners like you because I know that the technical work involved to make money online is just too much of a headache and time-consuming for most people. But my systems are already making us money right now. I just need you to activate your account below, and I'll take care of the rest. I'll provide you with the same system that generates ClickBank commissions thanks to a super sneaky social media AI loophole. You're probably thinking, well, how is all this possible? Well, it's all thanks to a loophole we discovered that allows us to get unlimited free traffic and generate commissions from any affiliate website in the world. We direct all our traffic to secret affiliate offers on ClickBank because that's where we make the most money. And if you're wondering, no, this isn't techie at all. My current successful students, who I spoke about earlier, all have 0 computer skills, and they've never made money online. But once again, I'm going to do all of the work for you and get things set up. I just need you to check your stats a few times a week to make sure you're seeing something coming into your accounts. I'm sure you'll have a smile on your face when you log into your ClickBank account. I can't share with you how it works in this public video, but when we activate the system, it oddly helps me and my members make more money. So this is a real win-win for both of us. So if you're sick of struggling to make ends meet and you're frustrated about not getting any real results online, maybe worried about what the future holds, then this is the perfect solution for you. Would you like $50 to $100 in affiliate commissions over and over and over again without having to pay a penny for traffic? Because that's exactly what myself and my current members are seeing on a daily basis. I want you to forget everything you know about trying to make money online and picture this instead. Number 1, we give you free traffic. If you want to make money online, you need to send traffic to an affiliate offer, and we're handling this for you. Number 2, our done-for-you system has a unique way of handling traffic so that it quadruples over and over. This is our secret sauce. Then finally, number